The ingredients are miso, onion, dried wakame seaweed, fried tofu, green onion, and mackerel and sardine mix flakes. Make dashi. First, I boil water. When the water is boiling, add mix flakes. If you can't get the mix flakes, you can use this kind of dashi no moto. Please see the back for the additive amount. Skim the scum off the top. When it smells good and turns golden, turn off the heat. Remove the mix flakes and the dashi is complete. Next, cut the ingredients into pieces that are easy to eat. Hot the dashi while cutting to save time. Cut the green onion. I don't use all of them. It's convenient for Japanese food, so I always cut it all together. Rehydrate the dried wakame seaweed with water. Slice the onion and the fried tofu. When the dashi is boiling, add the onion and fried tofu and simmer. If you boil the wakame seaweed too much, it will become slimy, so add it just before finishing. Stir the miso to finish. You enjoy the flavor of miso. Do not simmer it after adding the miso. Serve in a soup bowl and add with green onion to complete. I'll have it with rice. Ichiju Isen is a traditional Japanese meal. It means one soup and one dish in Japanese. If you add two dishes to this, it will be Ichiju Sansai.